this session, I am going to explain you about the basics of an accountancy. So, let me explain you about the accountancy. What do you mean by accountancy? See, it is the discipline of systematically and recording, classifying, summarizing and communicating a business, financial transactions and information. So, we can see the accountancy means it is the discipline of systematically recording. Recording means we have to do a recording of the creditors and the debitors. So here accountancy means we will record the financial transactions of the businessman and we will classify and we will summarizing and communication the business financial transaction and the information of the businessman. So now we will learn basic terms in accountancy. First is financial year, second one is entity, third one is business transaction, voucher, asset, liability, drawing and capital. So first now we will explain matter financial year. As per the section 241 Companies Act 2013, financial year is in the 1st April and 31st March. So 1st April ಅಲ್ಲಿ start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and 31st March ಅಲ್ಲಿ transaction end ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And also we call it as the accounting period of an financial year. So example, 1st April 2019 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡು. ಸೊ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದು 31st March 2020. ಸೊ ಈ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಯರು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.